All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're digging into some absolutely brilliant marketing strategies that are just crushing it right now. We're going to break down the new playbook for some serious exponential growth. Everything from AI automation all the way to the psychology behind the perfect offer. Okay, let's do this. I mean, really think about that for a second. This question is exactly what we're exploring. We're not looking for 1,000 tiny little tweaks. We're looking for those key strategic shifts that can completely unlock explosive growth. We're talking about going from being stuck to hitting seven figures. And the answer might just be in one of the ideas we're about to cover. So, first up, AI. But look, we're way past just asking it to spit out a blog post. The real revolution here is using AI to build an entire automated business engine. It's about a fundamental shift, transforming you from just a content creator into a strategic operator. And this isn't just some theory. There's a health page out there right now that is pulling in nearly six figures every single month. And here's the wild part. It's run almost entirely with AI, and there's no personal brand attached to it at all. So how in the world are they doing it? Well, according to Daffy, it's a deceptively simple playbook. Step 1, you pick a very specific niche. Step 2, you just consistently find and repost relevant AI-generated clips. And step 3, you monetize all that attention with affiliate links. That's it. It's a content machine on autopilot. Yeah, that number, that's the power of having an automated system like this. We're talking about over $1 million a year. It just goes to show you the incredible scale that's possible when you stop being the creator and start being the operator of a well-oiled machine. But AI can be so much more than just a content engine. This guy, James Ebringer, shared this concept that just blew my mind. He uses a super specific, really detailed prompt to turn his AI into a strategic partner. You're not just asking it for ideas, you're telling it to audit your entire business, find the leaks in your funnel, and then give you a direct action plan to fix it. And the ways you can use this stuff are just exploding. You can now build these super complex workflows with tools like N8N just by describing what you want in plain English. You can totally automate your market research by having AI scrape and analyze trending reels for you. You can even get advice from an AI that's been trained on all the content of a seasoned pro like Alex Becker. It's insane. Now, AI is a beast, right? But you've got to point that beast at something. And that something is a reliable, organic machine that brings you traffic and leads 24/7. One that's built on a system, not just on luck. And this is a huge shift in how you need to think. DC outlined it perfectly. The old way was all about chasing viral moments, just hoping and praying the algorithm blessed you that day. The new way? It's about building a system that works tirelessly for you because it's focused on what your audience actually needs. It rewards consistency, not just a massive follower count. So where can you build a machine like this? Well, according to Freddie Pott, you should be looking at LinkedIn. Seriously, while a lot of people just see it as a place for resumes, he calls it a goldmine for high-ticket B2B deals with way less competition than other platforms. And if you need proof, just look at Paulo Trivelato. He scaled his B2B service to over 36 grand a month, all by focusing on a systematic approach to just one platform, LinkedIn. It just shows you the power of mastering a single channel instead of spreading yourself too thin. And the power of a good system isn't just for B2E. Get this result from Tim Chesney. He used a simple two-part framework, one method to find a proven idea and another to multiply it. He turned one single concept into 4 viral videos and an incredible 50 million views. That's not luck, that's a system at work. Okay, so you've got an automated engine driving organic traffic. Awesome. But how do you convert it? Well, our final piece of the puzzle covers the most human element of all. Crafting an offer that's so compelling, so irresistible, that your audience just has to say yes. One of the most potent and, a bit controversial strategies for this is what's known as pain-based marketing. As Zane breaks it down, this is a method that goes beyond just surface-level problems. It aims to connect with a customer's core emotional triggers, their deepest insecurities. And this brings us to a really critical question, right? The source material calls this strategy brutally effective because, it works. But it also makes you wonder, is it ethically okay to leverage someone's deepest pains just to make a sale? It's a fascinating line to think about. But hey, sales psychology doesn't have to be so intense. It can also just be about making things simple. DC lays out this really clear path to creating your first digital product that just cuts through all the noise. It's not about having a huge audience, it's about having a simple framework and a clear offer that solves a real problem.
And what happens when you combine a great offer with a strategic launch? You get results like this. Tommy Nguyen shared this case study from the WAP marketplace, over $75,000. And here's the kicker, that 75 grand wasn't collected over a month or even a week. It was generated in just 2 days, 48 hours. That just shows you the explosive power of a well-crafted offer put in front of the right audience at exactly the right time. So we've covered a ton of ground here, from high-level AI strategy to the nuts and bolts of organic traffic, all the way to the deep psychology of a sale. So now, let's connect all these dots.
You see, the key takeaway here is that modern marketing success isn't just about one of these things. It's about the intersection of all three. It's using AI as a strategic partner to power an organic traffic machine, and then converting all that traffic by mastering the psychology of an irresistible offer. And that brings us to the end. The strategies are all on the table, the case studies speak for themselves, and really, the only question left is the one you see right here. Which of these powerful growth engines are you going to build first? Thanks for watching.